Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. It is a gloomy, overcast, nasty, boring week here. What do we do when that happens? We play ham radio when we experiment with stuff. Let me show you what's going on here because you're going to like this. It's kind of interesting. Today's station for reference is a Raspberry Pi powered by the EBL battery running the ICOM 705 at a full 10 watts. This EBL battery has come in very useful, and at a full 10 watts output, we're at about 16 watts on the draw, and then at standby we're at 3. Pretty good. It's going to be a little hard to see, but I have a whip antenna here. It's the 17-foot whip, and it is stuck into the ground via a ground spike right here. And then I have the ground radials going off, and I'll draw a picture on the screen of what the ground radials look like. But essentially, that way is north, and that way is south, and I've been running some FT8, and behind me is, well, my camper, but behind that is the Gulf of Mexico. And what I am seeing with the way that these radials are set up is that I'm not getting any traffic at all to the south. So what I'm gonna do is rotate the antenna, stick it over there, and put the radials that way, facing north, and see what kind of difference it makes. Let's get after it. Okay, a couple of quick questions because I know y'all are gonna ask, why didn't you set the radials out in an even 4-point compass orientation, blah, 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 blah. Here's why. This right here is a drainage ditch. And I didn't feel like walking in that. So that answers that question. The next question on the list is your coax acting as a counterpoise? Let's take a look. I have a choke on my coax, so hopefully no is the answer to that question. And here is the antenna in its new configuration with the Gulf that way and the radials facing in the direction pointing away from the Gulf. The results are in, and with the antenna over my shoulder and trying to get propagation to the south in front of me and blocking the north behind me, anecdotally, it makes a difference. Not enough of a difference to stop me from activating the park today. I'm at Galveston Island State Park, right on the Gulf of Mexico over there behind me. But I definitely am blocking signals in one direction or the other, and the maps show it out as such. And I guess the short answer is there's just not that many hams south of the equator in South America. I know there are plenty, but they're not on FT8 at the moment that I'm transmitting. And I've been transmitting off and on all week long here while I've been here. And I just wanted to try this in the other direction. So leave some comments down below. I have done another video on antenna orientation. The short answer is it doesn't matter. I can still get the job done. The longer answer is it matters just a little teeny tiny bit. So if your contact in that direction is really important, put your radials in the other direction to make it not go that way. And that's how you get some secret sauce and some secret action. At the end of the day, a difference that makes no difference is no difference. There's a video right up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.